Hey YouTubers, got up this morning to decide that we're gonna go do a little glamping, not so much camping, but got a cabin up on the lake. We're gonna give it a try. They're gonna let us bring our dogs. Colton is ready. He's been driving me crazy ever since we put his collar on this morning, so we're gonna have a good time, explore the lake up there, do a little hiking, and gonna cook some good food. So stay tuned, we'll be there shortly. Everyone, we've made it up to Skytook Lake. Absolutely amazing up here. I've never been up here, but it's really super nice. But walking around looking at the different things around here, got the cottages here, the wildlife and the lake in front of us. Very impressed so far. Got gander and where we're staying this evening. Separate cottages, so you don't have to share walls with anyone. Super awesome cottage here. Super friendly staff down at the check-in area. Really enjoyed talking with them. Got our back area here. Some steps down here, chocolate ledge. Lake. Absolutely gorgeous day. It's a little cool outside. I think it's supposed to be 1 degrees today. Fire pit. Something to cook on later. So very awesome. Nice tree still up. Riley already in this fridge looking for food. Listen, had a spill, so his leg hurts. If I can fall down this, it's pretty steep.
I don't know how to. I tried. Because I was trying to go outside.
Winston, inside. Hi, Winston. Sorry you hurt your leg. We'll be back. On a little hike. A little chilly out here. Sun is out. See what we can get into. Really nice day compared to last week. I think it was about 82 last week, which was nice as well, but didn't feel much like winter. So we get out here and figure things out. Gonna hit the trail. Hope there's no grizzlies out here. Brown bears. Hope there's any critters in here. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's just cold.
Oh, look at his dad. Oh, never mind.
A little chilly out here today in the shade. Hands are a bit cold. Should have worn my gloves, but it is what it is.
Okay. Get the stick.
Fortunately, we got a broken sign. I'm gonna get Riley and Sarah to kick it back up.
There were a lot. Did also find the one idiot. We could walk on that at the ground.
We are at the Osage Park for a little fun with the dogs, letting them have some fun out here. Super quiet and calm and peaceful. You can come. Absolutely dead quiet over here.
I don't think it's Colton. Colton's front paw. What if you got like a briar or something in it? Yep, it's your paw. I know, I see. His right paw is bleeding. That was so pretty. Beverly Hills. Wow. What in the world? What is that little shed for? What are they doing?
What does that sign say over there, Joe Riley? Of that building? What is that for, you think? Wait, what is that little mirror? Pie.
Time to get the taters ready. Wash them really good. We will oil them up and put foil on them. If I can find my foil. There it is. So make sure we poke some holes in them. Make sure they cook well. Make sure you keep your eyes on the potatoes and not on the camera as you're poking the holes. That way you don't poke a hole through your hand. Always aim badly on a camping outing. Just had a nice trip over to the Osage boat dock and campground. Really nice over there. Nice and calm. These are juicy potatoes already. Good thing. I've got the oven set to 400 degrees. I'm gonna put oil and salt on these, and then we will let Those cook for about 60 minutes in the oven before we get them out on the grill. So, oh, shaker. Sure how it works. First, let's get the oil. And some oil, like so they're good and covered. Ready. Make sure you get both sides taken care of. You got those. Okay. We'll see you in 60 minutes. Hey guys, your baked potatoes still got about 20 minutes left, so we're gonna start getting the steaks and the lobster that my wife accidentally put in the freezer. Trying to get it unfrozen, so we'll have that tonight. So we'll see how that goes. Got some New York strip steaks. I'm gonna get them out, let them start warming up to room temperature for about 10 minutes or so. I got the propane grill on with a cast iron skillet. I'm gonna get it warmed up as well. And we're gonna sear each side 3 to 4 minutes. And then after we get that done, we'll bring it back in. We will baste them with butter and put some salt on it, and that way we'll let them rest for about 5 minutes, and then they should be ready. So getting pretty close to dinner time, so stay with us. Got a little oil on these. I always just like to salt them up pretty good. Get them ready for throwing on the grill here in another 5 or so minutes. Got our lobsters ready. Luckily they weren't too frozen, so what we'll do now is we'll get a pair of shears and we will cut down the back of the lobster here. We'll open it up a little bit, pull the meat out, and then we'll do a little seasoning and get these ready to go on the grill after the steaks. These are pretty easy to cut there. Just gotta be really careful. It is hard and it can slip, so you don't want to make sure you slide forward real hard and cut your hand like this. Lay down ×2. They're a little tricky to get in there. So now we'll just kind of pull these apart a bit. Be careful, these right here are really sharp. Definitely can prick you. Pull the meat out, just peel it like so. Real careful, you go like that. And quite not pull all of it out, get most of it, and then we'll set it back on top of the lobster like that. I always like to rinse it off. It's got some remnants of the shell, so you don't want to be chewing on that when you're trying to enjoy a nice lobster. So we'll do it again on this one. Said, be careful. These shells can be really sharp and definitely can cut you. So, open it up like so. There we go. And we shall start pulling the meat out of here. I've been watching a lot of some of these shows that they're on deserted islands and stuff, and they've been like catching these like giant lobsters and stuff. I just really want to try that one of these days, and maybe we will. Our channel gets big enough, so we'll go out there and do whatever everyone would like us to do. All right. Get the excess water off of it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to melt some butter and put some seasoning on it. Stand by. All right, here we are right back here. So we got our fresh lobster here. So we are going to put this on top of here. Nice amount. Get it all good to go. And I'm going to put some seasoning, paprika, combination of paprika, salt, and pepper on here. There we go. All right, so that's ready to get on the grill here shortly, and we'll be back. Okay, so get warmed up, and I'll get the steaks back out here searing, 3 to 4 minutes each side. Be ready to go. All right, here we go. Get these on here searing real quick, 4 minutes per side. And get them off. Go let them rest in butter and garlic, like Luke, butter and garlic. All right, it's our 3 minute mark. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, looking good. There we go. 10 more minutes, we'll be good. It's the best day ever for this old boy. Yeah, best day ever. Yeah. Good. Get them on this side just a little bit longer. Make sure we got them done. Get some stripes on them now. Get the lobster on here going and pull the steaks off. 2 minutes on each side, and these suckers will be ready. They do this side down first. I like to do it. Oh. Here we go. Looking really good. Have to get the butter on them and get them resting. Nice. Good. I think Colton likes it for sure. Put a dab of garlic on these. Not very much at all. Don't want to overpower the taste. Got it. Put back over. Finish it off. Look at that. Looking good in the neighborhood. The lobsters are done. Saved by the bell by yours truly, Joey, the outdoor man. Look at this. That cool off. Taters are done. And we're about to eat. Let's go. Dinner is served. YouTubers. Got some mac and cheese in here. Show you how the steak came out. Looks like it came out perfect as usual. Oh yeah, check that out. Delish. And the lobster, very nice. And this time I did not lose the baked potatoes. I'm gonna wash it down with my favorite, Sam's Cola. Second opinion here from the boss.
It's really good.
What do you got there?
Lobster, mac and cheese, baked potato, and steak.
What's your favorite?
Lobster.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, show us what you got. Awesome. Here we go. Got a third opinion. What do you think, Sarah?
This is really good.
What do you got there? What's your favorite?
The steak.
Yeah, you sure it's not the baked potato? I know that's your favorite.
I love baked potatoes. Thank you.
Look at Riley. She's eating with her fingers.
Oh gosh.
What's your favorite? I think you like the lobster.
Why don't you
Just finished up dinner. It's pretty dang good. No complaints from the girls. Come out here, check out the finishing of the day here. Sunset, very beautiful. Had no idea this was out here, to be honest with you. So coming back in, we got the fire going here, and I am going to put my glove on here so I can get this off the grill, and then we're gonna make some campfire chocolate chip cookies. Alrighty, well, got some cookies ready to go here. Got the preheat just about ready. So we're gonna throw these on here, set a timer, and see how this works, because I've never done this before, so hopefully it will work. So pretty successful trip so far. Got the cookies cooking. Hopefully that'll go good. As you can hear, nothing here, just listen. It's pretty nice compared to the craziness that we live in these days. And end of the Christmas season coming up, and work's back in full force next week. So hopefully we can keep this going, and hopefully you guys are enjoying what we got going on here. And just comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll keep trying to bring out some new and interesting things for people to see and do, and try to expand our world outside of Oklahoma and some of the big parks like Utah, Colorado, Alaska, Montana would be great places to go. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully you guys are liking it, and we'll go from there. Success, cookies, and happiness. If you don't like chocolate chip cookies, there's just something the matter with you. Getting ready to get picked up and get out of here. Sun's starting to shine through, trying to anyways. It's a little cloudy this morning, but otherwise pretty nice. Slept pretty well. Gonna try to get out of here and get home, get ready for the work week. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, just like and subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next, and we'll see what we can do. So until then, we'll see you later. Thanks.